Okay, so now we're at the spacer bar. And the spacer bar, as it says in the tin, spaces the horizontal tracks and keeps everything parallel. The spacer bar, if you were to sit at the top of the panels, is the same length as the panels. But to get it to being the right length, we've got the small extension pieces that fit into the end of the spacer bar, locating in the punch hole, and where a 13mm track nut and bolt pulls it all together. We also have the extension piece which slides in here and then allows us to extend and clamp onto the spacer bar, allowing us to pick up the sidewall, or indeed, as we're going to do, interconnect the doors and create a rather nice and neat installation. So I'll push on now.